Ever since we moved here, we wanted a pond, go fishing and stuff. Bought this to do that said project, and it's been used for everything else. And this is almost 10 years later, finally get to that project. And I've already got the topsoil moved off. And this is the only good spot on the property that I don't have to remove too many trees because it's already been done. And we're just going to do a small, basically runoff pond, maybe have something in it. We'll see what it goes. I understand it's going to be really small. But here in Missouri, we do have one thing going for us, it's clay. I already got the topsoil removed, and that was pretty much nothing. Now you're thinking to yourself, it'd be a better way. I need to compact that, take a few trips, dump it this way, run over it. I'll get to compacting it. But I did realize I had more topsoil than I thought. So what I'm doing is putting the topsoil on the backside of where the levee would be. skid loader for reference. Yeah, it's not perfect again. People are going to tear me up in the comments. People are toxic on here. Again, yes, there are better ways, suggestions to do it. This size pond would definitely be more of an excavator style, to where you could scoop out, compact the dam a lot better as you go. I will flatten that out a lot more. For what I did in 45 minutes, this is pretty good, considering that's what I had. That's normally, you know, a time I get, and honestly, that being all manual controls, it is rough, and this is rough ground. But yeah, you can see the good clay all around. Outside's got the topsoil. Yeah, this side, this is up. As you can see, that's higher than dam level. I can now go into here to bring it back here. So the dam will be going higher. This shouldn't be getting deeper, because now I need to go this way. I did do a test hole out here years ago, and I was not running into rocks. And I do have a few pockets of rocks. But this is the good clay I have. Well, definition of good is subjective. Well, this would be good clay to hold water, I should say. Okay, I've gotten a little bit deeper. Now my problem is the dam's a little narrow, so I'm gonna have to put some on the back side. What's really nice is you can tell the difference between topsoil and the clay here. So I've got plenty of clay on the inside, and I can keep doing more clay on the inside. But so what I'm gonna do, get down to level. I'm going this way into the hill. This is a hill coming down into the pond. I'm gonna get this bit that's a mix of topsoil and clay on top, put it on the back side of the dam, and everything else can go on the inside. That's clay, keeping it clay. So I'll make the dam a little bit wider and slightly taller. As you can see, it's kind of narrow. So I'm having problems compacting it, and it's very dry too, so it's going to be hard compacting. It's going a lot better than I thought. Again, you can tell it's not big. It's more of a water retention pond than anything else. My whole property all goes down. It just drains off into a dry creek. Not bad for day 2. Maybe 2 hours into this project. You saw I was right at the end trying to compact the sides, driving back and forth, slowly taking bites, steps down to go out. Really long if I go all the way out and try and dump on the back. So I'm still trying to go up it and try and dump it and force it out. Trying to go wide without going in here. Need to go on the back side. Working out pretty good. I don't think I can go much deeper. I really keep hitting rocks. I'm afraid I'll hit that bedrock.